Welcome to Learn a Concept series. These videos are short and give a quick introduction to a concept. Let's learn a concept today. Stay ahead in technology by learning data science concepts. Keep updated about machine learning, deep learning, statistics, NLP, reinforcement learning, and more in this series. I am Praveen Kumar and I work on emerging technologies with a primary focus on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Be sure to subscribe as I keep updating my content and add more videos. The Pareto Principle states that for many outcomes, roughly 80% of consequences come from 20% of the causes. Think about a sculpture artist or a painter. 70 to 80% of the shape or outline is achieved in a few hours, but the detailing may take a few days, like the eyes, colors, toes of the sculpture, the nail ends, etc. The low-hanging fruits are addressed first in a short time, while the bigger issues in a problem are addressed with longer-term techniques. Pareto also implies that most things in life are not equally distributed. The same thing applies for your data sets too in machine learning. Hope you learned the concept in a simple and easy manner. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment today. Goodbye and have a nice day.